Hello, and welcome to the Lifetime Products channel. In this instructional video, we'll assemble the entry and side gables of a side entry shed from Lifetime Products. Now, this is a side entry shed with vertical siding, so the entry gable will be different than a side entry shed with horizontal siding. Your gable may be a different color than the one shown in this video, but the steps performed still apply. Let's start with the side gables. Place the edge of a right side gable half over the edge of a left side gable half. Align the holes along the edge and connect the two halves using 4 screws. Set the vent screen over the vent and align the holes. Ensure the gable vent is facing with the 3 screw holes towards the top. Place the gable assembly over the gable vent and screen. With the holes aligned, insert a screw through a washer and secure the gable vent and screen to the gable. Continue doing this step until all 5 screws and washers are used. Note, to avoid twisting the screen, apply a downward pressure with one hand while inserting the screws with the other. Do not over-tighten. Now repeat the previous steps for the second side gable. The side gables are now done, so let's assemble the entry gable. Unlike our other sheds, this is a 2-piece entry gable. Align the holes in the right entry gable half with those in the left. Secure the 2 halves together. Insert an end cap into each end of the door header. Place the entry gable face down on a flat surface and place the header onto the entry gable and align the holes in the header with those in the entry gable. Note, the rectangular hole is off center. Ensure the indented holes along the header are set against the gable and the center indented hole faces downward. Secure the header to the entry gable using 4 screws. Do not over-tighten. Then secure the header to the gable using 2 screws, washers, and cap nuts. That's it. You're done. The gables for your side entry shed are now finished. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.